Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 held on 15th March and 15th February. GATE 2014 15th February morning session, and the question is related to the digital electronics. Look at the circuit. In the given circuit, if A is connected to Q1, the operation of the circuit is according to the state diagram. The state diagram given is going to be the circuit when A is connected to the Q1. If XR is replaced with XNOR, then to get the same operation of the circuit, which of the following changes has to be done? Simply the XR gate is replacing with XNOR gate by the time where that A should be connected to get the same state diagram. A should be connected to Q1 bar, A should be connected to Q2, A should be connected to Q1 and S. Q1 and S is replaced with S bar to Q1 bar, and D is A should be connected to Q1 bar by S is replaced with S bar. So which one is going to be the correct answer? Okay, now we will see the answer for this one. This is the diagram what we have taken again. Okay, so first of all, let us assume we are going for the first given thing. A is going to be directly connected. Whenever D is directly connected, at that time D2 can be written as A exclusive S, but A is directly connected to Q1, so Q1 exclusive S. This is first equation. Let us assume if that exclusive OR gate is replacing with XNOR, and we are going for this one. A is now we are going to replace this one. So now where this A should be connected? A should be connected. So now if it is replaced with XNOR gate, at that time D2 can be represented as, now D2 is going to be represented as A XNOR S. A XNOR S. So this is second equation. Since the functionality should not change, that implies nothing but equation must be same as equation 2. So Q1 exclusive S is equal to A exclusive XNOR S. Okay, so S and S are going to be same, only the difference is nothing but here it is XR, here it is XNOR. So we can write the same expression in terms of this one as Q1 bar XNOR S, otherwise Q1 bar XNOR S, otherwise you can write it as Q1 XNOR S bar. You can write this one. So S has to be same, but if you are going to be changing Q1 with Q bar, or Q1 is remains same, S is replacing with S bar, at that time you can use the XNOR gate. So for the options given, this is the right answer. Q1 bar exclusive S. S has to be same, Q1 is going to be replacing with Q1 bar. So the correct answer for this one. This is a simple theorem. Okay, an exclusive OR gate can be represented as, this is A exclusive B. A exclusive B can be represented as A bar XNOR B. Otherwise, you can go for the A as it is with A B bar. So all are going to be same. You can go with the equation A exclusive B is nothing but AB bar plus A bar B. Otherwise, A XNOR B is nothing but AB plus A bar B bar. You can check with that one. So based on this identity, we have written this one Q1 bar exclusive XNOR S. So the correct answer for this question is A. A should be connected to Q1 bar. Thank you.